Finding a good cafe with great desserts as a tourist can be hard. If you're trying to find cafes, gardens, and Studio Ghibli spots in Tokyo area, then these 3 Tokyo hotspots you have to try. Yokohama Ishikawacho Station. Walking not far is Les Bien-Mi's, which means beloved in French. They have an amazing pastry selection and a list of 10 different teas, all with different strengths. Pastries I chose was the strawberry charlotte, creme brulee, and orange tart. The tea was called Candy. We paid with card, but it is not the case for many other cafes in Yokohama, so keep cash on hand before you go. There are many 20th century architecture houses in Yokohama with gardens and cafes. That is where we are going now, to Yamate Italian Garden House. They give you a map of the other houses you can visit, and they're all free entry. This house is known for the beautiful flower beds, water features, and views overlooking Yokohama. Only a 5-minute walk from the station. The house was originally built in Tokyo's Shibuya district in 1910. It was moved to its present location in 1995 after Yuichida's granddaughter donated it to the city of Yokohama because she wanted to preserve it. It is similar to the dorm in the Ghibli anime from Up on Puppy Hill. You can also visit the Bluff 18 Khan House, which is just nearby, as well as the miniature replicas of all the houses like Berwick Hall. Walking down to the bottom is the ruins of Alfred Gerards Springtime house. It is filled with goldfish and the gardens are still maintained today. Some of the other 20th century houses are in ruins now as well, as they did not survive the 1923 earthquake. This is Miyazaki's florist, which is seen in the anime from Up on Puppy Hill, and has been in business since 1890s. The owner was lovely and I picked up some dried flowers. You can find the meat shop in the anime from Up on Puppy Hill on the corner of Motomachi Shopping Center and next to Burger Joe's. Try the famous beef croquettes from the film. Then we watched the Gunman robot. It was meant to be taken down in 2023 but is staying for 2024, so this is your sign to go see it. The flags from the movie are found in the Harbour View Gardens. Yumi raises the flags every morning for her missing sea captain father. The 2 flags mean I wish you a pleasant voyage. The Harbour View Gardens have amazing flowers. Now to spot 2, Akihabara. First, matcha ice cream from a vendor next to Akihabara Station. I ate it at Yanagimori Shrine as it is a shady and quiet place to sit. I highly recommend. Okay, this spot is an anime spot as well from the Steins Gate series. Now we are walking over the Blue Bridge to another Steins Gate destination. Maid Cafe Lish. The menu is Steins Gate themed and they play Steins Gate on the TVs. Super Potato is a must in Akihabara. They have vintage games and vintage sodas. Last is Karaoke Pasela. They have themed rooms like Evangelion. Their specialty is brick toast. It was the best dessert I had my whole trip. I can even get a plushie of the famous dessert on the way out. Location 3 is Hachioji. Now this destination is probably too far from Tokyo, but these desserts can be found anywhere in Japan and are a must. Melon Pan, a bread bun with a sugar cookie crust. I chose matcha, and my boyfriend chose the melon custard filled one. It was amazing. My next choice is Mr. Donut. They are known for the chewy Mochi Donuts, but they also had American style donuts, and the old fashioned donut was so buttery and dense.